Hi and welcome to the Forex Delta family. In this short video we're going to cover the very first steps that you need to take before you start trading the actual Delta software, and in reality how to authenticate it, the software, and how to load it on your platform. So the first thing you should be doing is download the PDF for the user guide, which has very thorough information on everything that we're also going to discuss now in this video. It is written down, and basically everything you can think of is inside. So if you have any questions, this is the first place where you should be checking for answers. The next part will be the rapid divergence course. This one does have a video. Okay, it also provides the PDF right here, which you can download and read later on. Divergences are really important, guys. They are everywhere. That's why this rapid course was created. Okay, and we're going to use it inside Delta. My advice is to dedicate some time, real time, to this part. Okay, go over it, make notes, take some notes, go ahead and practice it on the chart until you really understand it. Of course, I'm here for you all the time. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, contact me. But this is really useful information, and it's not applying only to Forex Delta. It does apply for any other strategy that you might be trading, any other method that you might be trading. Divergences are everywhere, so it's really advisable you step on this one and understand the whole idea of what we're teaching inside this course. Then at the bottom you'll see the actual installer for the software. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is click the download installer button. It will download for you this zip file. Just click on it to open it. Inside the installer you have an exe file, and you also have the possibility, an option, the alternative to actually install it manually. Okay, so we have all the files right here. If you don't like going over and working with the exe file, I'm going to use the exe file in this video simply because it's much easier. So just double click on it, click run. Okay, this will open if using especially Windows 10. Warning message, okay, because the publisher is unknown to Windows. That's why you get this message. So you click more info, and here you click run anyway button. Okay, then you confirm with yes, and you finally see the actual installer for FX Delta. Now this is just a few quick clicks here. Click next, then go ahead and read the license agreement. Of course, if you agree, say that you accept the agreement, click next. And now for this part you want to pay attention to, because the installer is actually seeing all the MT4 platforms installed on your hard drive. In this case I do have 3 platforms installed, so I might go ahead and select for example that only FX Open platform to hold the FX Delta software. Okay, so wherever you want to install the software, you make the selection right here. So I'm going to select all 3 of them, so I have it in all platforms, and then I'm going to click next. Again, next, quick installation in progress. Click next, and now I can actually select this check mark here, which means basically run the platform after I click finish. And now you can select which platform to run. So I'm going to select FX Pro, click finish. Now FX Pro should be opening, okay, right here. So what we need to do now is go ahead and log in. I'm quickly going to do that. Username, password, select the server, click login, and you should hear the success sound. Now the next thing that you want to do is make sure your settings are fine before you actually start running the software. How to do that? Go to tools, okay, and select options. Alternatively, you can click Ctrl and O O on your keyboard. This will open the options tab. Here under expert advisors, those are the selections that you have. So basically have a selection with a tick mark on allow automated trading, no selections here, and then allow DLL imports also ticked. Okay, click yes. That means your settings are fine. If not, fix them this way. Then open literally any chart that you would like. Right click, go to templates, and here you will now see the 3 new templates. Okay, delta long, delta short, and delta scanner. So in order to authenticate the software, we need to open the delta scanner. And this is what you should be seeing, an error that the authentication didn't went through and no actual images. So what we need to do now is right click on the chart, okay, go to expert advisors, go to properties, or alternatively just hit F7 on the keyboard. All the same, this is going to open that window for you. Okay, and then go under inputs, where on the very top you'll see these 2 empty fields for email and receipt. Now this part is important because we need to say whatever email you used to purchase the FX Delta, this is the email you should be importing right here, because that's what's in our database. Alright, so for this video I have created a test email, okay, and then I'm going to put here the test receipt, and once I click OK, this message should be gone. Okay, we click alright. Now we actually see the background and all the arrows appearing. Now this part is also very crucial, guys. There we go. Now you saw all these alerts coming through because that's the very first time we run the software, which means the software goes back, checks everything, and it will place it on the chart. In order to make sure you're seeing the most recent alerts right here, okay, it is kind of a limitation from MT4, so we need to kind of go ahead and do that manually. It just takes a few seconds. So what I do is I just go ahead and switch the time frames a few times, okay, until you stop seeing changes from the arrows. So if you switch and you don't see any changes, it means you're seeing finally the most recent data from the scanner, and you're finally set. Right? You need to do that only once you install the setup for the first time, because we're looking back at the temporary files or whatever it's called. So that's pretty much all. This is how you download, install, and authenticate the software. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or the support team. They will be more than glad to assist you. Thank you for watching.